Your vehicle is equipped with a latch system that helps you safely install a child restraint. There are 3 anchor points, 2 lower anchors where the vehicle's seat back and seat cushion meet, and 1 top tether at the back of or behind the vehicle seat. If your child restraint is compatible with the latch system, it will either have 2 rigid clips or 2 straps with metal clips that connect to the 2 lower anchors. Using this method eliminates the need to use a safety belt to secure the child restraint. Attach the metal clips from the child restraint to the 2 lower anchors and push the restraint back and forth to make sure it doesn't move. If your restraint's clips are on straps, tighten them by pulling until the seat is secure and doesn't move. Now, find the top tether strap on your child restraint and thread it under the vehicle's headrest. Find the tether anchor on the back of the vehicle seat, clip the strap onto the anchor, and tighten the strap.